Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video, and we have a Southwest Indian 2025-26 cyclone season video, and we have an update on our tropical storm on tropical system. And we have intense tropical cyclone Horacio, and I will go into full detail right now. Horacio is located 10,040 kilometers or 446.2 miles east of Reunion and has winds of 115 miles per hour, 10 minutes as a intense tropical cyclone on the MRL R scale, moving southwest at 14 miles per hour or 22 kilometers per hour. Expected to move, I believe, it could be a south to southeast trend passes this island. This island right. Pressure is at 946. Center location is at 9 point south and 5.7 east. Um, all I gotta say, well, island, got it. You were expecting traces of it, so it's outer. So for the most part, I think, but you could probably not a lot. I think that's all I got for this. Oh no, hold on. As you can see here, it's right here. Intense tropical cyclone. Uh, tropical cyclone. Severe tropical storm. Subtropical. Post tropical. So yeah, that's all I got. Turbo Tropics WX signing out, and goodbye. Stay safe and goodbye.